covering the installation of Rustbuster's front upper control arm mount bracket for the TJ Wrangler. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support its rear axle with jack stands for driver and passenger sides. Before you start, ensure you've completed these listed tasks. Step 3. Depending on how you intend to cut, clean the cut zones free of rust and down to bare metal. We recommend marking the orientation of the control arm mount bracket to help position the new bracket. Begin cutting away the upper control arm mount bracket as close to the frame as possible. Step 4. Hold the new bracket up to the frame rail in line with the orientation lines previously marked. Once the part has been fitted, prepare your weld zones by clearing away any rust or debris, revealing bare metal. Step 5. If you wish to coat the entire part, coat the part with a weldable primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Tack weld the bracket into place and test fit the control arm into the bracket to make sure the position of the bracket is correct before continuing. Step 6. Remove any remaining potential fire hazards on both the vehicle and surrounding area. Following proper welding procedures, begin welding the part onto the frame rails. 100% weld around all edges. If you chose not to protect the part, Step 5. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Step 7. Begin reassembling your vehicle. Reinstall your gas tank, cords, and tubes. Reinstall your tires and wheels. Reconnect your battery, and you're done.